to today's academic podcast. In this episode, we will discuss a highly significant and relevant topic, namely pollution. Pollution has become one of the most serious environmental challenges in the modern world. Rapid industrial development, urban expansion, population growth, and increased compaction of natural resources have significantly contributed to rising level of pollution. As a result, environmental quality continues to decline in many parts of the world. The impact of pollution are not limited to environmental degradation. Pollution also affects human health, social stability, and economic stability. Therefore, pollution must be examined from multiple academic perspectives. To explore this topic in greater depth, I am joined by two speakers.
Thank you. My name is Rana Dewi Puspitasari and I will discuss pollution from an environmental and scientific perspective.
Hello, my name is Siswa Marian Rianti. In this discussion, I will focus on the social, healthy, and policy-related impacts of pollution.
Thank you. Let us begin by discussing the basic concept of pollution.
From an academic perspective, pollution can be defined as the introduction of harmful substances or energy into the environment, resulting in the changes the environmental quality that negatively affect living organisms. Pollution occurs when the natural environment is no longer able to absorb, utilize, or decompose pollutants effectively. Consequently, populations accumulate and result ecological balance.
In environmental studies, pollution is often associated with human activities, particularly industrial production, transportation, and energy consumption. However, pollution is also closely related to human behavior. Weak environmental governance and unsustainable development practices
Indicate the pollution is not merely a technical problem, but also a social and systematic issue. What are the main types of pollution commonly discussed in academic studies?
The most common types of pollution include air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. Air pollution refers to the presence of harmful gases and particulate matter in the atmosphere. Water pollution occurs when industrial, agriculture, or domestic waters contaminates river, lakes, and ocean. Soil pollution results from the accumulation of hazardous chemical and solid waters in the land.
In addition to these types, there are other forms of pollution such as noise pollution and light pollution, which are often overlooked but have significant effects on human well-being and mental health.
Thus, pollution exists in various forms and affects both natural and human systems. What are the primary sources of pollution?
The main sources of pollution originate from human activities, including motor vehicles, emissions, industrial process, mining activities, and the combustion of fossil fuels.
Furthermore, hazardous waste, excessive use of plastic, and improper waste management also contribute significantly to pollution, especially in urban areas.
This highlights the strong connection between pollution and modern human lifestyles. How does pollution affect human health?
Pollution has both short-term and long-term effects on human health. Exposures to polluted air, water, or soil can lead to respiratory diseases, skin disorders, digestive problems, and weakened immune system. Long-term exposures to pollution increase the risk of chronic disease such as cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurological disorders. In many cases, pollution-related illnesses reduce life expectancy and quality of life.
From an environmental perspective, polluted ecosystem also affect food safety and water availability. Contaminated natural resources ultimate pose serious health risk to human populations.
Therefore, pollution represents a major global public health threat. What are the environmental impact of pollution?
Population leads to ecosystem degradation, loss of biodiversity, and disruption of natural chrysalis. Many plant and animal species are unable to survive in polluted environment. Pollution also damages soil fertility, reduces water quality, and contributes to climate-related environmental changes.
In addition, pollution accelerates climate change and intensifies environmental disasters such as flood, drought, and extreme weather events.
Does pollution also affect social and economic condition?
Yes, pollution increases healthcare costs, reduces labor productivity, and creates economic losses at both national and global levels. Low-income communities are often disproportionately affected by pollution because they tend to live in areas with poor environmental quality.
This demonstrates that pollution distributes to social inequality and environmental injustice.
What solution can be implemented to address pollution?
From an environmental perspective, solutions include the use of renewable energy, sustainable waste management, and the adoption of environmentally friendly technologies.
Strong government policies, strict environmental regulations, law enforcement, and public awareness programs are essential to control pollution effectively.
Addressing pollution requires cooperating among governments, industries, and communities. How important is public awareness in addressing pollution?
Public awareness plays a crucial role in encouraging environmentally responsible behavior and supporting sustainable policies.
Environmental education helps individuals understand the consequences of pollution and motivates them to participate in environmental protection efforts.
In conclusion, pollution is a complex and multidimensional problem that affects environmental quality, human health, and socio-economic development.
Sustainable environmental management and scientific innovation are essential to reduce pollution and protect ecosystem.
Strong policies, collective responsibility, and public participation are key to addressing pollution and ensuring a healthy environment for future generations.
Thank you for listening to this podcast. We hope This discussion has provided valuable academic insight to the issue of pollution. See you in the next episode. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.